What's up guys, my name is Aaron Parker. We're here at 3piece.us in Monteclair, California. I just dropped my wheels off in the back and I wanted to show you guys what goes into making a wheel not only look good, but safe for the track. Come check it out. We're here with Rosario after disassembling my old wheels. This is the old lip, that's the old barrel. He's gonna take us over here and show us what goes into assembling the wheel from here. So what do we got going on here?
Well, before we put it together, I want to make sure that the mating face is 100% clean. So after everything's been clean, I set the face into the wheel and align everything with the 3 bolts. So once we've got that done, the last step would be to torque and seal. So in the sealing process, you want to lay down a good bead so no air slips through.
At this point, we're essentially done. Before I can mount these up to the Wolf and hit the track, I gotta wait 48 hours to make sure that the silicone 100% dries. That way I don't have any leaks. Thanks for tuning in. I want to give a huge shout out to 3Piece for hooking me up with some of the sickest wheels out on the grid. Make sure if you see me around, you say what's up, and I'll see you at the next event.